Ah, Italy, a country that feels like it exists in the space between dream and reality, a land where history, art, and nature converge in a symphony of unparalleled beauty. It's no wonder poets and painters, conquerors and lovers have been captivated by its charm for centuries. Let's begin in Rome, the eternal city, where every cobblestone street whispers stories of empire, triumph, and endurance. The Colosseum stands as a colossal reminder of ancient ingenuity, its weathered arches surviving millennia of time and transformation. Just steps away, the Roman Forum invites you to walk in the footsteps of Caesar, as echoes of ancient oratory seem to reverberate in the air. And then there's Vatican City, its gilded walls home to Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel. Stand beneath that masterpiece, and you'll find yourself craning your neck in awe, marveling at the stories of Genesis that come alive through his divine brushstrokes. Whether you're religious or not, there's no denying the spiritual weight of St. Peter's Basilica, the dome soaring towards heaven, as if it aims to bridge the mortal with the divine. But if Rome tells the story of empire, Florence tells the story of the Renaissance. The beating heart of Tuscany, Florence feels like an open-air museum. The Duomo, with its iconic terracotta dome engineered by Brunelleschi, dominates the skyline and symbolizes human ingenuity as much as it does devotion. Just nearby, the Uffizi Gallery holds treasures that changed the course of art forever. Botticelli's The Birth of Venus, Leonardo's brushstrokes, and works by Caravaggio and Raphael that defined beauty and emotion for generations. And then there's Michelangelo's David. One glance at this marble giant is enough to leave you speechless. Every sinew, every vein in his hand feels alive, as if Michelangelo carved not stone, but life itself. But Italy doesn't just offer human creations. It is equally blessed by nature. Venture north to the Dolomites and you'll find jagged peaks that pierce the blue sky, while emerald meadows roll out below like a painter's canvas. In winter, these peaks turn into a skier's paradise. In summer, they beckon hikers and climbers to explore their enchanting alpine world. Further south, the Amalfi Coast waits, a wonder that's often been described as heaven on earth. Sun-drenched cliffs plunge into turquoise seas, where pastel-colored towns like Positano cling to impossible vertiginous slopes. As you meander along the coastal roads with hairpin turns, you'll smell the citrus tang of lemon trees, hear the distant toll of church bells, and feel the sea breeze on your skin. Speaking of water, let's head to Venice, the floating city, a marvel of engineering and imagination. This labyrinth of canals and bridges seems to defy logic. Glide in a gondola through the Grand Canal, past palatial buildings that seem to hover on the water's surface. Piazza San Marco buzzes with life, while its basilica glimmers with Byzantine mosaics. And as the Italian sun sets, casting golden light over... Yet there's more to Italy than its famous landmarks, landscapes, and cuisine. Spend time in its quiet hilltop villages, San Gimignano with its medieval towers, Alberobello with its whimsical trulli houses, or Matera, where ancient cave dwellings carve into cliffsides. And you'll discover a different kind of wonder, the intimate, timeless rhythm of Italian daily life. Watch as a local carefully sweeps a stone stoop, as children race their bicycles in cobblestone alleys, or as an elderly couple shares gelato on a park bench. These moments, profoundly simple yet deeply moving, are the soul of Italy. For the city, you'll begin to understand why Venice feels less like a place and more like a love letter to human creativity. And of course, Italy isn't just about what you see, it's about what you taste. Italian food is a wonder in itself, a culinary heritage as diverse as the landscape. In Emilia-Romagna, the birthplace of Parmesan cheese and prosciutto, every bite tells a story of tradition. In Naples, the home of pizza, you'll find the simplest ingredients, tomato, mozzarella, and basil, elevated to an art form. In Sicily, the vibrancy of the island shines through in every spoonful of granita, every bite of arancini. Pair any dish with a glass of Italian wine, perhaps a Barolo from Piedmont or a crisp Prosecco from Veneto. And suddenly, you're not just eating, you're experiencing a celebration of life. Yet there's more to Italy than its famous landmarks, landscapes, and cuisine. Spend time in its quiet hilltop villages, San Gimignano with its medieval towers, Alberobello with its whimsical trulli houses, or Matera, where ancient cave dwellings carve into cliffsides. And you'll discover a different kind of wonder, the intimate, timeless rhythm of Italian daily life. Watch as a local carefully sweeps a stone stoop, as children race their bicycles in cobblestone alleys, or as an elderly couple shares gelato on a park bench. These moments, profoundly simple yet deeply moving, are the soul of Italy. Italy is a masterpiece. It's a country that has perfected the art of living, where every corner holds an invitation to dream, to taste, to explore, to feel. It's a place where time slows down, where the past and present embrace, and where beauty isn't something you search for, it's something that surrounds you. So, until you find yourself walking under the towering arches of Rome, wandering through the vineyards of Tuscany, or standing in awe before Venice's shimmering canals, let the wonders of Italy live in your dreams. And when you do finally visit, one thing is for certain: you won't just see Italy, you'll feel it in every sense of the word.